We are here in the Bomba Clot, Jamaica. Hey, that car fast as hell.
Fast, like that manage it.
What?
Manage it.
Yeah, I can manage it.
Now, one thing that stood out to me about IShowSpeed's trip to Jamaica was how genuinely connected he was with the people, the culture, outside of the typical tourist experience. For many years, Jamaica has been marketed as this international luxury escape, right? It's typically all about resorts, private villas, all-inclusive hotels, the fenced beaches, the curated experiences. Everything which is separate and apart from what the Jamaican everyday life really is. But what Speed's live stream showed to millions of people was something completely different.
I say, come on girl, you can come over me closer. I tell you, baby girl, you be my donor. Jamaica style, you know we bring it town now. Now we speaking the rain, I get my down. Oh no, I bring you love with my side. I just wanna take you up and bring you to my ride. I got the diamonds and the stain in a ride. Keep telling you no more.
This is what most people don't see, especially outside of Jamaica. This is not marketed on the media, and it's not really marketed on social media either. It's normally set towards, okay, this is the resort to visit. These are the tourist areas. These are the beaches to go to. Like, Speed showed the real energy of the island, the music, the food, the people, the humor.
If you're gonna be Jamaican Speed, you got, bro, there's requirements. You gotta know how to do a backflip.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Why? What backflip is this?
What you mean, why? Listen, if you gonna call yourself Jamaican Speed and you can't do a backflip,
Why?
how you gonna? Because you gotta know how to.
You have to do a black flip.
Black flip.
Backflip, yeah.
Black
Black flip.
Say black flip.
Black flip,
Yeah.
You learn.
No sitting in laps.
None of that. Yeah.
Burn off all of that.
Going up out of that.
Yeah.
76 today. Hot time to burn you up.
Yeah.
All right.
I want to see you more often in Jamaica. Okay. All right, man.
But yeah, it's here, eh?
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that was more. Oh,
Bus shot, bus blank, that's Jamaica.
oh, that's Jamaican.
Yeah, go on
okay.
then, bus your blank, go on.
You don't really see that every day, especially as, people internationally. The sense of community that makes Jamaica also unique. This matters economically too. Most of these resorts or these fenced beaches and the curated experiences are owned by people external to Jamaica. A lot of these resorts are owned by foreigners. The money that tourists spend in Jamaica to enjoy themselves on these resorts, it doesn't benefit the island. It leaves. The vendors in the streets, the shops in community, people who have small businesses that provide certain forms of entertainment or activity, they see a tiny piece of the revenue. Barely any, actually, because tourists tend to stay to the resorts. Like, they don't really go into community to enjoy themselves. You have returning residents who do that sometimes, but it's still not to the magnitude of what the benefit could actually be for community members if tourists were actually spending their money with them. IShowSpeed definitely enjoyed himself there, and kudos to Jamaica. His welcome was top notch. And I mean, not to brag as a Jamaican, but we always do the best.
Okay, I got it. I got it. That's nice. Yeah.
Jamaica, we always do the best, and Jamaicans are some of the most warm and welcoming people you'll ever find. So, not to compare, but yeah, I think Jamaica was the icing on the cake when it comes to his Caribbean tour. Interacting with the artists in the streets, him learning a lot more about the culture and the different dances, the music. We saw him spend some time with Shensia.
I watched your race.
You know what?
I watched your race. I was really going to race you, but I see that you're no competition for me, for real. So, we're not going to bother do that anymore. He lost on his race. I was going to race him, but since I saw that he lost, I don't have to do it.
Wait, come on, hell no. We can
I'm
race.
going to teach him how to do it.
No.
They did a little cooking show. He tried some of the best food. And listen, yes, not to brag again, but Jamaica does have the best KFC in the world. We also now have certified approval from IShowSpeed and his parents. Because yes, Jamaica does have the best food, not just KFC, but the patties. Big up to Tasty Patty. We saw that he enjoyed that experience. Devon House, definitely the best ice cream as well. So, you know.
I like the ice cream.
Wait. Hold on. Hey. Hold on. Bomba clock. Hold on. Wait. Dad, what you rating this? Number one?
Yes.
You rating this number one?
I haven't had KFC in a long time. So this is the best.
My dad rate this the best KFC. Oh my God.
I think everyone did well. His welcome was really good. And the drones, I don't know who did the drones, who's controlling that for him and his parents to watch, but that was heartwarming. You know, I'm pretty sure they appreciated the effort and the time that went into that. So big up on yourself and go on good.
The Caribbean.
It's going in.
I don't get how some people don't understand how big of a deal this is for the country. I guess some of the older people may not be too familiar with IShowSpeed. And, you know, he's kind of he's young and his audience is also quite young. But he has millions of viewers, right? Millions of people are watching him, and him going into the island and showing the community the different experiences, how good the food is. This is one of the best ads the country could get for free because the island didn't pay for him to come there. Just by him sharing all of these things with his audience, a lot more people will see this and say, you know what, IShowSpeed seemed like he enjoyed himself in Jamaica, so let me book a trip. Let me go and experience some of this food and some of these activities that the island has to offer. It will be beneficial for tourism. If you're going to Jamaica as a tourist, yes, the resorts are beautiful and they are top notch. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes it's good to, you know, leave the resort or leave your Airbnb, leave the hotel, go into the community, enjoy the food, enjoy the companionship of the locals. Jamaicans are very friendly, are very welcoming.
But Jamaica won. Tough. I'm not saying that Trinidad wasn't good. Trinidad was good. But Jamaica is the best. Jamaica is the top. So, unfortunately, Jamaica is still the best.
Well done, Jamaica. Well done. I thought that we did good. What do you think, guys? Comment down in the comment section. I thought we did good. It was organized. There was something to do every step of the way. The drone part was my favorite. For him and his parents to stand up and watch the drone.
Oh my God, yo, I see him watch IShowSpeed live stream, and it was just amazing. When I realized, Jamaica full of celebrity. Yo, all are we a celebrity, you know? Yo, Jamaica full of celebrity of Everywhere the man walk is a different celebrity. I show him around, I show him this and I show him that.
And yes, if you're going anywhere, it's not just Jamaica. Obviously, you have to practice caution. You have to be safe as well. But it is a beautiful place. And I think the enjoyment, the experience is worth it. It's a once in a lifetime thing. You know what I mean? Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. And don't forget to click like on the video and share the video to a friend. You know what I mean?